Hey guys, today on our 2001 Ford Escape 3-liter V6, we got an evap code for our EGR. Now we're just going to go through here, going to show you how to change this guy right here. It's our vacuum control solenoid. The controls our EGR valve. We already confirmed the EGR valve does work in this, so we've narrowed it down to this guy right here. How we're going to go ahead and do that, it's going to be two 8mm bolts on both sides. We're going to pull that off, put the new one on. Should be a simple fix. Alright guys, first off, let's just do a little housekeeping in here just to make things just a little bit easier to get to. Press that tab down, pull the wiring connector off, kind of just tuck it out of the way. And unplug the vacuum off the top of the EGR valve. One out. So just going to use a little ratcheting wrench here. Slip over that so you can pull. Get it loose, then we should be able to just do it with our fingers here. And that just pulls the whole stud out. Alright, now down here we just need to disconnect our vacuum lines off the control valve. Now I do know this is original, so they might be on there pretty good. Just get a little screwdriver or something in there, just kind of break the seal. And then they should come right off. There we go. So there's our old part. There's our new part. They look exactly the same, which is exactly what we want. So just gonna sneak it down here. We're gonna attach our vacuum lines back onto it. We're going to reinstall the stud. Get the bolt here on the other side. right, now next thing we do, just need to connect our vacuum up here on our EGR valve. All right, guys, that right there should do it. So we got our vacuum modulator put back in place. We have our vacuum line hooked up to our EGR and our vacuum. We got our electrical hooked up, and that should take care of our code for the EGR valve. All right, guys, if you liked what you saw here today, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more.